Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and it's time to bring you an update on the Wildwood Boardwalk Reconstruction Project Phase 6. Because the last time that we've been here, a lot has happened. I mean, a lot. We're at the point where they're already putting boards on top of the boardwalk. That is how much has happened, and it's only November. This project's only been going on for about a month and a half. So I figured today we're gonna give you maybe a little quick walking tour, but really put the seagull in the sky to show you what things look like. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this on a random Wednesday. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Be sure to grab your Wildwood's Christmas ornament before we sell out. We currently have 6 of them in stock. You can get them by clicking in the link in the description of this video. And the new one for this year, it is Santa riding the Great White. So if you want one, go ahead and grab them while they're still here. Our walking tour starts right here on Spicer Avenue because if you look down, that's right, the wood is officially going down. They have been working like clockwork. You can see that they put in the new 4x6s. Those are in place. And now they're putting the wood on place. You can see they actually started hammering them down. And they're moving at such a quick pace. Let's be honest, the weather has been on their side. And I mean it when it comes to the weather, because it hasn't rained in what, 45 days? And it's been so warm out. I personally was wearing shorts yesterday. It's been very warm. And so today, I just wanted to take you guys over here to check things out. Honestly, think that Fred and his crew, this might be the fastest I've ever seen them work. First, in front of me, you'll see, these are the original Tram Car Pads. They have been cut and lifted off. And of course, these are being thrown away because you can't really, there's a lot of rebar in these. I don't know if you could recycle this kind of stuff. But you could see the new 4x6s. Actually, I think they're 2x6s. I apologize. 2x6s over here. And the new boardwalk wood. Here you can see the job they're doing, and it looks amazing. And it smells really good. I don't know if you can you smell that? The fresh cut wood? It smells really, really good. Here's a great shot showcasing where the old new wood, or the new old wood, meets with the new wood. And the design, they're following the same design that they did before. And they're about halfway through this block. As a reminder, I did go in detail breaking down the process of how this works. But ultimately, they cut off the boardwalk, they take off all the wood, they go to any piece of the structure, whether it be a beam or another piece, they either replace it or fix it. Then they smooth out the top layer, they put new beams that are going this way, and then they add an extra support beam down the middle where the tram cars go, and then they put the brand new 2x4s on top. And this is that wood, like I said before. I can't pronounce it. You guys try explaining it in the video, or at least in the comment section, and I still can't say it, but it is right there. Can anyone else pronounce that? Kkumaru? I don't know. And they're doing God's work here, honestly, because the way that they're doing this is so quickly, it makes you wonder how. It's because they've been doing it for now, how many phases? This is number 6. Fred and his crew's been doing it so long, they have a whole system down. And so that May 7th date, I believe what they're aiming for, it's totally gonna be April. Like, it's totally gonna be April from the way that they're moving. Well, I'm here, by the way. I get this awesome sunset happening. But that being said, we got dumpsters here for the wood. You'll see over here more concrete pads. Looks like an old Wildwood sign over here. Fell down and broke. But yeah, these pieces are gonna be thrown away. And remember how I talked about how they do replace some of the beams if they're really bad? Well, here's a great example of that. This is one of those beams, and I just want to point out how thick that rebar is. Oh my gosh. That's got to be at least an inch, if not an inch and a half thick. And they've got, what, 1, 2, 3 of them running through that? Yeah. So imagine that looks like that was a middle section. So now that that got ripped out, they're gonna have to create some kind of form, put that in the middle, then put the rebar in the middle, then fill that up with concrete. So once again, you've got a great example here of some of the steps they could be doing depending if the concrete needs to be replaced or not. In this case, one of the structures had to be completely ripped down and replaced from scratch. And believe it or not, there's the forms they're gonna use. Just kind of sitting off on the side. And look, here are the 4x6s. I did say they use 4x6s, and I was right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and while I'm back here, it was announced that the Great White has gotten new trains. And I mean, I'm over here now. I figured let's just take a little walk over there and see what we can see. And this is my first look at them. There she is. The Great White. I personally can't wait to ride on those cars. It is going to be super smooth. The funny thing is that a few weeks ago, we kind of teased that something was coming over here. That's why we put a couple of drone shots up for you guys to take a look at. And hopefully, we'll give you guys a little tour of those new trains soon. We'll just leave it at soon. And one thing I just wanted to add before I go, someone said to me in a message, "Oh, I thought you said they're going to make the boardwalk wider." Well, as of right now, the application they submitted to CAFRA has yet to be approved. So you can't do anything until CAFRA says okay. And even if it does get approved, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen. Because if it were to happen, I mean, you're talking about where I'm standing right now would be the end of the boardwalk. I personally would love to see that happen, especially because of how crowded it gets here for the fireworks. And it's also just really funny to know that many people don't realize that the boardwalk is two different sizes depending on where you are, north of Skellinger or south. Let me know what you guys think about all of this in the comment section below, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach, which is right over here. I'll see you later. Why are you following me? You never follow me. Okay. I'm literally going to the beach. It's right here. It's a little cold today. That's why I got a hoodie on. I'll see you later. Bye.